If you've ever wished WordPress worked like a real drag and drop builder, this is for you. I started using Landingi, and the best part, it integrates right into WordPress with their plugin. So now I can design clean, pro-looking pages in Landingi and publish them directly on my WordPress site. No complex themes, no coding headaches, just build your page, visually copy the link, and embed it in seconds. I built a product page that looks like it cost $5,000 in less than 10 minutes. You also get access to A/B testing, pop-ups, analytics, and even AI tools to help you optimize performance. If you want your WordPress site to look amazing without the tech hassle, give Landingi a shot. Click the link in the descriptions below.